Morning, sir.
Good morning. Can I have a reason?
Yes,
Tell me about yourself.
good morning, sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Magneq. I am from Karnool district, Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my Bachelor of Science from the Adoni Arts and Science College. Coming to my technical skills, I am good in Java programming language and testing, and also front-end technologies, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. That's all about me.
What is software testing?
Software testing is defined as the testing the functionality of an application by the intent of finding the defects and the actual behavior of the applications.
What are the testing types?
Testing types are two types. First one is manual testing and automation testing. Manual testing is defined as testing the functionality of an application without using the tools, and automation testing is defined as testing the functionality of an application with the help of the tools such as Selenium, Appium, like that.
What is Selenium?
Selenium is a open source free automation tool which is used to test the web-based applications.
What are the locators in Selenium?
So locators is defined as the static methods of abstract by class. In after by class, locators are present. Locators are used to find elements and find elements. Locators are of 8 types. First one is tag name, ID, class name, link, partial link, CSS selector, XPath.
Okay. Different. Tell me about XPath.
XPath. XPath is the path traveled in the HTML tree structure to find an element on the web page. XPath covers all possible ways to find an element. It is of two types. First one is absolute XPath and second one is relative XPath. Absolute XPath is find an element to root of parent to immediate child, and relative XPath is travel from root of parent to any child. To achieve the absolute path, we can use single forward slash. To achieve the relative XPath, we can use double forward slash. XPath of absolute is very lengthy. Relative XPath length is short. That's why we will always go for the relative XPath.
Tell me about difference between keys class and robot class.
Keys class belongs to the Selenium package. Robot class belongs to the Java abstract window tool package. In keys class does not work with the special characters, but in robot class we can work with the special characters. Keys class does not access in the desktop windows. Robot class can access in desktop windows. In keys class we don't have to we have to use the send keys method to pass the values such as mail and passwords. In robot class we have to create the object for the robot class. That's the difference between the keys and robot class.
Okay. So why going for automation testing?
Sir, we want to go for the automation to save the time and to sustain in the market competition, and when we have the less resources we can perform more operations.
Okay, Praveen.
For the
Do you have any idea of core Java?
Yes, sir.
Tell me about method overloading.
Method overloading is defined as within the class. We can have multiple methods with the same name but different formal arguments. That's known as method overloading.
Compile time binding.
The process of binding that will happen during method calling statement and implementation of that method is known as compile time bindings.
What is inheritance?
Inheritance is defined as the acquiring the superclass properties from the by the subclass by using extend keyword is known as inheritance.
Okay. Rules of constructors.
Constructors. Constructor in Java is defined as the special method which is used to initialize the objects. It is created during the object creation, and we can also use constructor for initializing the non-static properties.
Okay. So what is construction? What is construction?
Constructor. Constructor is special methods. It has rules. It's same as class names, and it doesn't have the return type. That's okay. Okay, sir. Yeah.
Very good, Praveen. I get back soon. Thank you.